Kari Smith is amazing to me because she is one of our quietest faculty, but she's one of our most effective faculty. She's effective because she cares. She really cares. She cares about the student, she cares about her colleagues, she cares about her profession, and she cares about her college and university. And so it's this caring quality about Kari Smith who can make anyone admire what she's doing and what they are doing.
In the learning environment, I really attempt to create a place that students feel comfortable raising questions, being able to challenge their own assumptions, but also being able to confront some of the things that I might be saying that they feel are inaccurate or that are not aligned with what they thought, and to respond to that. And so it's been important to me to create a space where they can challenge their own assumptions, but also to challenge me when they are in question of what I'm saying.
Kari is a full professor, and she is the graduate coordinator for our graduate program in architecture. She's very effective at that because that's a tough role. You have to recruit graduate students, you have to mentor them when they get in, and you have to maintain all the paperwork, the administrative part, to keep their graduate assistantship coming, And she just does this very quietly, but very effectively.
As graduate coordinator, there is a lot of, obviously, administrative work, but I think the most rewarding part about being the graduate coordinator is my interaction with the students and how I get to know them well, bringing them into the program and then getting to know them beyond their schoolwork and getting to know more about their personal histories and helping them, guide them through the program based on their inclinations, their values, and what really matters to them has been probably the best part or aspect of being the graduate coordinator. I'd like to extend my deepest appreciation and gratitude to the president of the university, to the provost, Dr. McKinney, as well as Dean Gordon Brooks, Associate Dean Michael McClure, and Director Tom Sammons. I obviously have an enormous debt and appreciation to my students. And I also want to acknowledge and thank my colleagues in the School of Architecture and Design. And so to each of them, I'd like to say thank you. And as well, my mentors. Going back to my undergraduate education, my mentor was Max Underwood. And then as I have become in the position of the graduate coordinator, I'd like to extend a deep appreciation to Dean Farmer Kaiser. One of my co-teachers also happens to be my husband, and so I'm particularly grateful to have had that opportunity for us to teach together for all of these years.